When looking at the tools related to gunshot residue evidence, commonly referred to as GSR, we look in our CSI kit and we'll look for a stub, and the stub is in the upper right corner, so whenever we click the trigger on the controller, we actually pick that up whenever it's green. It's attached to the controller. Now we use that stub on the surface, pull the trigger, and it actually samples for GSR evidence on the surface in different locations. And so checking the surface at different locations tells us where GSR exists or doesn't exist. To look at the lab results, we use a controller and trigger on that tag, and it shows us whether GSR has been found or not in different locations. And so we see that GSR has not been found in some locations, but has been found in other locations. And so we see the results of checking this location for GSR evidence.